Follow along with me. It's only going to be 6 minutes total. Using the exercises I'm about to show you in this video is going to help you so much when it comes to achieving your body composition goals. So whether you're trying to lose weight, tone muscle, look jacked and shredded, then make sure that you are throwing in these easy peasy dynamic stretches before any one of your intense workouts. The first thing that we're going to start out with is a nice little hip stretch. So let's go ahead and get into a full plank position. And we're simply going to bring our foot up to the hand on the same side, just like so. And then back. Switching sides. And we want to make sure that we're kind of dropping that back knee as we step forward. And this will really help us stretch out those hips. Don't be afraid to hold for a second. We just want to make sure that we're keeping it moving and not holding for too long. Nice strong plank in between. And 3, 2, 1 more, and rest. Woo. All right, next we're gonna do a dynamic cobra. So I'll get you to lay down on the ground, hands by your chest. All right, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Lifting our bodies up off the ground, pulling our chin up towards the ceiling. And then slowly letting ourselves back down. It's all about the control here. Stretching as far as you can before coming back down. Here we go. Last one. And rest. All right, the next thing we're going to do is a dolphin dive. So once again, we'll get you in a nice strong plank position here. And we're going to squeeze our abs, lifting our hips to the ceiling. Let's do it. So the goal here is to see if you can get your heels rather, to almost touch the ground. We're going to feel this stretch in the front of our chest, the backs of our legs, and of course those calves. Strong plank in between. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Rest. All right, up next, we are going to go into our scorpions. So I'm going to get you to lay on the ground here in a nice T position, and we're going to reach for our opposite hand with our foot. You'll see what I mean here. 3, 2, 1. Bring that foot up and over behind us, and trying to reach for the hand on the other side. Needless to say, this is a wonderful exercise to help with our spine rotation, as well as help stretch all of those muscles in our core. Again, we want to hit this with control. And rest. Woo. All right, now that one has a little sister, and I call it hip swings. We're gonna lay on our back, same position, arms out nice and wide, and we're going to bring our foot, same thing, let's do it, up and over to the hand on the other side. Really making sure that we're keeping our shoulders on the mat as much as possible. We really want to stretch those glutes out. Here we go, a couple more seconds, you guys. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and rest. Woo! All right, up next, we are going to go into our side-to-side wide sit. So I'll get you guys to sit with your legs as wide as they can possibly go here. And 3, 2, 1. We're simply going to sweep out away from our body from side to side. We want to try to keep our toes pointing up towards the ceiling. and reaching our fingertips as far away from our body as we can. We really want to feel this in behind our legs and in those hips. Here we go, nice and deep. Almost there, one more. And rest. Whew, good stuff. Now we're gonna go to a cat-to-cow, which is a classic. So going ahead and getting in a quadruped position, we're gonna squeeze those abs and then stretch them out. In 3, 2, 1. Pulling our abs up, 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 trying to arch that lower back toward the ceiling. And then releasing, switching, lifting our chin up towards the ceiling. And switching once again. We want to really lift our tailbone as well when we're in that cow position. And 3, 2, 1. All right, last exercise I call the traveling child's pose. So I'm gonna get you to sit with your knees a little bit wide. Your hip or your heels are gonna be under your bum. And we're gonna lean forward into a child's pose. From here, walking side to side. Go ahead, making sure that on each side we give a nice little pause. Although again, we're not stopping for too long. We gotta keep this dynamic. Really just enough to plant that palm for a sec. Ooh, give yourself a nice little stretch in the side, in that oblique, in the lat. I'm kind of pulling against the floor here to really deepen that stretch. And rest. Ooh, good stuff, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. I always have such a blast filming these for you guys. Let me know what your favorite stretch was in the comments below. And if you are looking to lose some weight, tone your muscles, then the next step would be to check out one of the little videos that I'll have at the end of this video. And they're going to run you through some pretty fantastic, quick little at-home exercises. I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Never miss a Monday, and I will check in with you, new video next Monday.